Hi guys, welcome to our channel Yungcraft JK. Today I am going to show you how to make a paper puppet. So let's begin. For that we need a pencil, black marker, color papers, glue, paints, paint brushes, scissors and a cardboard. First, take a cardboard and draw the face of the puppet like this. First, draw the hair, ear, chin, and another ear. After that, forehead. Next, draw the eyes and eyebrows. Draw the nose and mouth. Now, cut the cardboard. Paint the face with skin color. While painting, be careful at the edges of the face. Next, with black paint, we have to paint on the hair part. Be careful while painting the edges. Make sure you don't go into the face. Now take a red sketch and fill the mouth. Take a black marker and fill the eyes. Draw the eyebrows and nose. Do the outline of the mouth. Now take some white paint and do the eyeballs. Now our puppet face is ready. Take A4 size paper and mark 2.5 centimeters width of 8 equal parts. Make sure you draw the lines with the help of the scale. Next, cut the strips into 8 equal parts. Take 4 for legs and 4 for hands. Take 2 strips. Apply some glue on one strip and paste the another strip. Fold the strips like this to get a spring. Now paste some glue at the end. Like this you will get a spring. Now repeat the same process for legs and another hand. Now take any color A4 size paper and fold the paper like this to get a square. Now cut the paper like this. Now open the page and fold the paper into strips like this. Front, then back. Front, then back. Fold the paper like this till the end. Now fold the paper like this into half. Then paste the two edges to get a triangle shape. This is our skirt. These are our hands, head, skirt and legs. Now paste all the parts to the skirt like this. While pasting the hands, make sure you press the strip. Now turn the skirt backside and stick the legs like this. Now stick the face at the end point. Our puppet is ready. For holding the puppet, take a stick and tie it with thread like this. Another end of the thread has to be stick to back side of the face with cello tape. Now our puppet is ready. We can play with puppets and make stories also. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Ying Craft JK. Goodbye.